cross-site scripting. Now this one, the SQL injection is, on backend attack. This one is the front attack and the user browser. Cross-site scripting. Either we call them in shortcut XSS. Basically, what is the use of this? Basically, you are using script to retrieve the session detail. When you log into your bank, suppose if I log into my bank account here, which is HSBC Sub Bank. So when I log in here, so basically it's creating a session. Now let's create a session and I'm logging. But if I try again subnet here, it will ask me username and password again because that session is separate, this session is separate. But what if somebody retrieve this information, your session which you already connected through your bank, and he put here, so he will directly, it's giving error. I'm just telling you. Now, normally it will not, they will say, no, log in again because they're not giving this session again. But if somebody through script retrieve all your cookies and these information, so definitely he will also log in. So for that purpose, we are using cross-site scripting to collect your cookies information. Basically, what is cookies? Those who take my F5 load balancer course, they already know cookies. I told them in detail. Whenever you visit any website, they are storing cookies detail. Suppose if I visit, suppose CNN.com. So when I visit any website, there will be cookies. Yes, okay. Some website will ask you. This is the good thing. By chance, I visit not CCNN, instead of visit CCNA. So they are asking me to we use cookies on the website. Some of them are essential while other help to improve the website. For marketing purpose, these cookies are used for many other purpose. I'm not going in detail in cookies. So when I accept, now they will be, look at, now cookies is saved. This is the cookies information, CNN. They store their detail in our database. These cookies are stored, let me show you, in a small file in every system. If we go to here, user and my user, okay, it's hidden, so it's better that I can retrieve through link. Either let me on hidden thing because it's not showing here. Okay, so app data and then local, I believe, and let me see that file because I forgot the exact location. Let me go to cookies link. I save somewhere, so for to be easy to access. Okay, this one. So it should be this the location. Let me type them here. Location is C, then user, then your username, then app data. I reach this local, then Google, then Chrome, then user data, then default. And here is a small file with cookies. It should be somewhere here. This is the cookies. And let me open it with Notepad++. So I visit this GitHub, I visit to this one, I visit to this google.com, and all the link when I visit, they're storing their cookies. Mostly I visit Google. You can see all the detail. I visit VMware and all those detail are here. BBC and CNN, everything, they are storing this file. So whenever we buy something, and from eBay and Amazon and everything, so they are storing their detail and cookies as well. Cookies is a long topic, I'm not going in detail, but what I was talking about, the cross-site scripting. So what they do, they will hijack your cookies and your session ID. I told you session ID. This is my session. I'm logging to my bank. Even now I log into my bank, almost there. The session has been invalid. I need to re-log in because normally the session will disconnect for security purpose, many bank website and all those. But if it is not, then there is a vulnerability. What they do, they are using cross-site scripting, a script which will be run hiddenly, and they will retrieve your session ID and logging information and cookies detail which I show you, and they will access your thing which you were accessing without login, because you already log in, you created a session for yourself, but hiddenly that session is created for that hacker, and then they can retrieve your detail, they can hack your bank account, they can do anything. This thing is called cross-site scripting. And let me copy this and show you there. So let me copy this, a small script. It will retrieve your cookies detail. I just show you the cookies, your password and many other things. They will retrieve this script to run it. So let's do and test there. Okay, let me go to Dava, either this one. You can use both. No, I need to do it inside. It was not working outside. So where is cross-site scripting? This one. Then there are many methods of cross-site scripting, because this is just a theoretically small topic in your course, but I'm just showing you that you know, otherwise it's not important that much. So let me give them any name, suppose test, and here, okay, and sign guest book. Normally we type our name and our message, but hiddenly they will run this script when you click sign guest book. Look at it's retrieve the password. Look at this one, from where? From cookies. So whenever, so they will retrieve this cookie and they will send to the hacker. It show me that, and they will send it to the hacker. And now they will use that and they will log in with the same session. You got what I'm saying? So this is called cross-site scripting, to attack a user and get their session and cookies detail, and then whatever you want to do you can use for the test purpose. Damn vulnerable web application which I show you, and also the other one. Okay,